Hello everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. So today we're going to discuss about how to connect PEM file in your terminal. So I'm going to open my terminal. So now you can check here my terminal. Okay, I'm now going to clear everything. Okay, and I have one file, name is write.pm. Okay, so look at here. So I'm going to again zoom and clear again. Okay, so let's start. So first we need to give permission in our file. Okay, .pem file. So I'm typing here chmod 400 and pem file name, because my pem file is present in download folder. So now you can check here, my download folder is here. Okay, okay, now permission is okay. Now you need to write one query, you need to write one command, ssh -i your pem file, then your username. My username is issue2-user and @ your IP address. So I have my IP, look at here, this one, and enter. Now I'm enter right now in my machine. So you can check here Amazon Linux machine already installed in my system. So I'm going to my root path cd dot and now cd where www and html. This is my path. You can check here, everything is here. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like my video, please give me a like button and please share my video. Thank you for watching my video.